looky what Sandy brought. Look at all that new stuff. Are you in awe, Skipper? What did Santa Claus bring you? Looky there. Get in. Get in, look. Oh, what do you want to open first? This one?
Simon's probably in there waiting for Ken.
Simon! Here, Simon. I think he wants what? Here, you train it on the kid. It's already going. Yuki. Here, get inside it. Get inside it. Get inside it. Look at that. Oh, looky. Oh, I love this. Oh, Auntie Steph. Thank you so much. He's disappeared inside, never to be seen again. Except his tail. There he is.
Simon, come here, buddy. This will distract you from your treats, I guarantee.
Here.
See, I told you it would.
Here, these. That's what you wanted. Want to try that? Look at there. Want one of those? Not just yet. Merry Christmas, Simon. Merry Christmas, buddy.
Is anybody ever going to get in the cheeseburger?
Oh, there's somebody in. Oh, get in the cheeseburger. I don't think they know they can yet. Oh. Get in here. Look, get in. Oh, he took the dog. Come here, Skipper. Now that's Daddy's present.
Yeah, I got socks for Christmas.
Come here, get in the cheeseburger. Cheeseburger. Get in.
I guess Simon is AWOL.
Oh, there he goes. Burger boy. This will get him back there. Oh! Where's these eyeballs? There they are. Here comes the...
Here, I'll go get him some candy.
No, he's coming. Get this first. Come here. Come here, Simon. There, he found it. Cheeseburger. Cheeseburger. Shoo mama. Get in. Get in. Oh, cool. Oh, cool. Oh, hi, sweetheart. Have a bite of mommy? Here, I know what you want. Come here. This what you want. Want some Christmas chews. Have a Christmas chew. Here, you can have a whole half of one. There you go. Merry Christmas, buddy. Thank you, Auntie Chris.